Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. Are you thinking about starting a business, an LLC in New York? Because you've come to the right place. This website has all the state guides. Here on the top you can just click and you will find per state the whole guide how to form an LLC. Today we are talking about New York. Forming an LLC here is pretty straightforward, but you do need the right partner to get it done correctly and privately. The key details for New York, for example, the state filing fee is $205. The annual filing fee is $25,000 to $4,500, which is based on the New York source gross income. The processing time is 2 to 3 weeks. There are a few key steps you absolutely need to get right, like appointing a registered agent and filing your certificate of organization. You could do all this by yourself, but my top recommendation to handle everything smoothly is Northwest Registered Agent. And for good reason, because here's the problem with doing it yourself. If you list your own address, it becomes public. So you can get spam, you could miss critical legal documents, and Northwest solves that entirely and with privacy. For only $39 plus the state fee, they handle the full formation. And here's the real value. They also include a full year of registered agent service for free, which saves you over $100 a year. Their customer service is US based, it's privacy focused, and they are incredibly fast. Plus, you get a free business address and mail scanning. The rest of this page has a complete step-by-step guide for New York, including the tax info, important deadlines like the annual report, etc. To get your New York LLC started the right way with a trusted partner, just click the link to Northwest Registered Agent right here on this page. It will take you to their website and they will handle all the rest. Thank you for watching and I wish you all the best with your LLC in New York. Bye, see you in the next guide.